Hi guys, it's Ben. Dito ako ngayon sa Tabata Station at currently 11:35 and may pasok ako sa school kanina, may pasok din ako sa trabaho kanina, pero nandito ako ngayon para puntahan yung bahay ng kaklase ko. Doon ako matutulog ngayon. This is Kowa and I've been with him with the last video also, and I'm gonna sleep at his house. I'm gonna give you a tour on how the dorm looks. Is it a dorm? No, it's not. It's a dorm. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour on how this a dorm looks for us Japanese language student here in Japan. So let's have a look. So bago kami pumunta sa bahay niya, dumaan muna kami ng ramen kasi maulan eh. So sabi ko, gusto ko rin talaga mag-ramen ngayong maulan yung panahon. And sakto, first time niya rin naman kakain dito. So I ordered salt ramen and he got soy sauce ramen. So, this is gonna be your first time too, right?
Yeah, my first time.
Kain muna kami. Let's sit. Naglalagay kami nitong apron lagi ako nalagay nito pag kumakain ako ng ramen kasi as in hindi na talaga matatanggal yung stain niyan kapag napunta dito yung oil ng ramen. So I also made him wear it. We look like babies now though, but it's not. Talaga mas and katapos lang namin kumain, napakaingay dito sa loob kaya aalis na rin kami. So, the salt ramen is very good. So, how was yours?
It's fucking good.
Very good, yeah? It's worth every penny. It's worth every yen.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna go to his house now, so let's go. It's very scary here, you know? There's not much people here.
Just Phoebe burger. I get two to it.
Well, I can't blame it. It's already 12 a.m., so...
It's still far, so enjoy it. Karaoke.
Ooh, nice. You went there already?
No.
Not yet. How many more minutes do you think it will take to...
My house?
Yeah.
I think it's about 5 minutes more.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at my house.
And ayan, nandito na tayo sa bahay niya. Very masikip, pero you know, kung mag-isa ka lang naman talaga, mag-isa ka lang, hindi naman siya uncomfortable. Ayan, meron siyang kama rito, may aircon, yan, sampayan. Can we keep talking though?
Yeah, plus.
Maybe the neighbors is gonna get...
Oh yeah. You cannot.
We have to. So kailangan hinaan natin yung boss natin sinong oras na.
This is very peaceful. So it's like this is like Chinese.
Ooh, I like this one.
There's many. That is.
This is what I ate.
Is it
From your mother?
from my mom. And it's
Yeah. So yun, pinadalan siya ng mama niya.
This is whiskey.
Ooh. You
Stuff
already
stuff
ate
is-
half of it, bro.
Yeah, it's so good. Stuff is good.
So mamaya, ipapatry niya sa atin yan. And bibigay din tayo ng konting reaction sa mga Vietnamese food. So by the way, introduce yourself, bro. If you haven't.
Yeah. Hello guys, I'm Quayan. I'm from Vietnam. I'm learning at this language school with Ben.
Yeah. So first, I'm gonna try this one. But in Vietnam, what do you call that in Vietnam?
Nhựa tầm gia vị.
What do you call it again? Slowly, bro.
Nhựa
Nhựa
tầm
tam
gia vị.
gia vị.
Yeah.
Nhựa tam gia vị.
Yeah, right.
So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung pinagsasabi ko, pero let's try.
Yeah, this is good.
So, let's try.
And I have this.
Plahan na kami ng boss namin kasi dito sa dorm niya, may sarili silang kwarto pero sama-sama sila eh. Nasa isang building sila. So, magkakarinigan sila kapag ganyan. So, gantong oras, syempre, bukas kahit Sabado yung iba dyan, pwedeng may trabaho. So, apparently, itong biscuit na to is called banh mian. Diba yun? Lasang gatas siya. And next, how do you rate this, bro?
Dake.
Dake,
Chukmui.
tringmui.
Yeah.
Dake, tringmui.
It
Looks
goes
good.
it with rice.
Ah, it's good with rice.
And this is chinsu, this is chili sauce.
Chili sauce, chinsu.
It's very famous in Vietnam. It's good.
So, yan.
You can try it with it.
Yeah.
Try for it.
Try first with it. So, parang kangkong chip siya. Kung kilala niyo si Chris Mojica, parang kangkong chip siya. So, let's try it. So, next naman ito. What do you call this? Okay.
I don't know. Ito is named Tom.
Nemtong. Nemtong. So, parang ito, yung mga chichirya nila. Ito yung mga common na chichirya sa kanila.
But it's not good for him actually.
Yeah, it's junk food.
You like plastic. You can your face or not. Boom.
Pero masarap siya. Sinabi niya sa akin yung view niya. Yun lang. Medyo pangit yung view niya dito. Kasi wall na agad. How much is your rent here again?
It's 4 months. 4 months 7.
So, yung upa niya rito, 47,000 yen. So, medyo mahal siya. I mean, normal na siguro yun kasi nasa Tokyo area. This is considered cheap. Isang parte ng buhay ng mga Japanese language student dito. Na, yung dorm nila, nagiging tulugan na lang talaga. Hindi na siya bahay. Uwi ka na lang para matulog kasi gigising ka na naman, papasok sa school, magkatrabaho na naman. So, yun yung mga magiging struggle nyo kung sakaling mag-isa kayong mag-aaral dito sa Japan. Ako kasi, sinuwerte ako dahil kasama ko yung kuya ko. I'm very lucky that I have my brothers here, bro.
Of course.
I live with them. The house is very...
Yeah. You don't think of anything.
So, alauna na. And gising pa kami. So, naisipan namin mag-umigil.
こんばんは。
こんばんは。どこの方ですか？
このコードですか I don't know what's made that.
Ah, you can speak English.
It also.
Where are you from? Ah, Malaysia.
No?
Oh shit. Damn.
Sayang na-skip
This
niya.
guy again. Damn, where did she go? Oh. Oh, it was. It was. Nani steady though.
Wala siyang paki sa amin, no?
Where you from? China.
Ah, China.
Oh. Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Are you living in Japan right now?
No, I'm using VPN.
Ah, I see.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam and he's from Philippines.
Oh, bye bye.
Oh shit, man, it's back whatever. Man.
こんばんは。どこの国ですか？
当ててみて。
あ、当たってみて。Like, guess.
¿Qué es eso?
Indonesia?
当てる。
I was right. 二人インドネシア人ですか？いいですね。
日本人
あ、日本人じゃないです。
日本人じゃないけど
うち、当たってみて。
ベトナム人
Yeah, 僕もベトナム。
ベトナム。
ベトナム。
私は違うけど。
あ、ミャンマーか。
ミャンマーじゃない。
フィリピン
そう、フィリピン人です。あ、日本に住んでいます、二人。
仕事
仕事じゃないですね。まだ日本語学生です。まだ1年生です。これからです。
あ、頑張ってる。
ありがとうございます。
Yo!
What's up, man?
Where from?
日本人ですか？
Yes, this 日本人。
かっこいいですね。二人ともイケメンです。
イケメン
イケメンです。Ayan, lumabas muna kami kasi doon sa loob ng dorm niya habang nag-uumigil kami.
We're too noisy.
We're too noisy.
So then we decided to go
Yeah,
out.
let's go out. Kasi yung kapitbahay niya doon, kumakalampog na eh. Punta muna kami ng convenience store.
I think money out here.
Yeah. Pero wala na akong pera. I don't have money to take out anyways. Hindi pa napakita sa inyo yung workplace ko, pero gantong-ganto na yung itsura doon. Medyo mas masikip kesa rito.
Is it free?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's in the register. You're gonna get juice, mixed juice, and ako, bibiling ko is tsunamayo na onigiri. Hindi pa ako nakakataray ng kahit anong authentic na onigiri. So ngayon pala natin itatry. Guys, Ito dahil mo. Ito dahil mas gamit-gamit niya yung credit card ng nanay niya. Pero sabi niya yung mga pwede niyang bilhin yung mga ganyan lang. Mga murang-murang bagay lang. Tsaka usually pagkain. Hindi kami doon kakain sa 7-Eleven. Meron siyang alam daw na laundry na pwedeng tumambay. Tapos maganda yung view. So, doon namin kakainin to.
Salamat po. Salamat po.
Halos inabot kami ng 10 minutes kakalakad. Naligaw kami konti. How long should we stay here for? About 10 minutes. 10 minutes only. The police will come. Kasi nakita namin sa isang laundromat kanina. May nakalagay na kapag ka hindi mo ginagamit yung laundromat, tatawagin nila yung police. Pero yan, ganda kasi tumambay dito eh. So, dahil nandito na tayo, try na natin yung onigiri. So, may number siya eh. Kung di pa kayo nakakita, may number siya ng instruction kung saan magsimula. So dito yung number 1. Pull down. Where's number 2? So ayan, may nakalagay. Number 2, pull. So ayan, di natin nasundan. Nasira. It's good. Yeah, it's good.
This is what I told you.
Sarap. Ang ganda pa ng vibes kasi umuulan. Ewan ko kita sa camera. Habang kumakain ng onigiri sa malayong lugar. Layo nito sa bahay namin, halos 1 hour and 10 minutes. Kakabalik na. Thanks. So, binigyan niya ako electric fan. So, kakabalik na kami sa mismong kwarto niya. Pagod. Biglang nabutan ng ulan. So, napatakbo kami. Good morning guys. We just woke up.
Yeah.
And it's currently 10:35. So ngayon, kakain kami sa McDo kasi malapit lang daw yung McDo sa kanila. And after that, uwi na rin ako kasi 4 PM may pasok pa ako sa trabaho. So what do you recommend eating in McDonald's? Just a burger?
Just burger.
Just a burger and
We
fries?
do the combo.
Okay. Na kami magbe-breakfast. And what you got bro?
Yeah, I got a mac pork,
Mac pork,
sakurai,
and
chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
So
Yeah.
it's good, man.
And ako naman, burger, then chicken. Tea, uli kasi hindi nga ako ng soft drinks, then fries. So this is where I will be ending this video.
See you.
See you into the next one. Adios.